The color of the chrysalis is bright green, but after 8 to 15 days, it loses its vibrant color and turns milk green. Then it turns transparent and you can visibly see the black and orange colors of the butterfly inside. This means it is close to coming out. And this is the fourth and final part of the life cycle of a monarch butterfly, and it is called eclosion. It's a process where the butterfly emerges from a chrysalis. Once out, the butterfly just hangs upside down and uses its abdomen to pump a fluid called hemolymph into its wings, which enlarges the wings to their full size. And then it will remain hanging for several hours to let the wings dry and harden. And once the wings are dry and firm, it will take its first flight to find nectar and a mate.